can be in a position to articulate development issues ambazo amepatiwa. And when I say that, I can boldly nitangaze that where we are in Laikipia Central. We intend and serikali imetupatia one extra constituency called Laikipia Central constituency. Na hiyo constituency itamaanisha that the current member of parliament hata shughulikia ward 5 kuanzia Nanyuki, Thingithu, Tigiti kwenda Umande mpaka Gobet. We will inject an extra 100 million. Tutaongezewa another 50 million ya kutengeneza barabara zenu, na tutaweza kuincrease nafasi ya pesa ambazo zinaokotwa na county government kuweza kusuruhisha mambo zenu asa. Nimejoya do, at times people complain because they have been whipped me emotionally. And at times even I know we are not able to understand things the way they are. And me, I'm speaking to you as your daughter, mama mlipatia kura, kuambia ya kwamba wakati yeyote kuna changes katika nchi, I ask that we be not left behind. If the BBI, if it passes, it means us getting an extra constituency, getting a university, and us getting extra resources. Mimi nitaendelea kuwauliza tusome ile nakala. Tutakaposoma ile nakala tuweze kujiamulia sisi wenyewe. And I'll tell you this, my dear ones. Mimi sina shida na nyinyi.
Kindly, in the interest of time,
and I know
the prophet is on his feet.
I think one of the things we need to do, excuse me please, tafadhali, nawasihi, tafadhali, if you would want me to kneel down, I'll kneel down. Please, let us respect this young boy.